Animal Lab has been founded in 2005. The company's mission is to create new and innovative pharmaceutical products from natural ingredients. In cooperation with the Laboratory of Biologically Active Substances of Rīgas Tradiņš University's Microbiology and Virology Institute, and involving the best Latvian scientists, we created new generation immunomodulator. It can be recognized by Glycoimmune brand in Latvia's market. The basic activity of the company is the development of biologically active preparations, production and sales. Currently on the market, there is available natural product that contains active substance glycopeptide that is acquired from lactic bacteria. The preparation is unique because it has no analogies, and that makes the product attractive for foreign investors and wide export market. Today's rhythm of human life is very dynamic, and everybody understands that being ill is very expensive from two aspects. First, person will lose their ability to actively participate in labor market. On the other hand, modern medicine is very expensive. Therefore, more and more society focused on health prevention. Let's be honest, although medication helps to treat many diseases, but they have many side effects. The main advantages of Glycoimmune, it is natural origin, which doesn't have negative side effects and have unlimited usage period. There are many brilliant scientific ideas and inventions, but rarely them reaches the consumer. They are pleased that one of the Latvian scientists' inventions has been commercialized. The active substance of preparation Glycoimmune is glycopeptide that possesses strong immunomodulation qualities. Physiologically, glycopeptides should be found in the human body, but in case of weakened immune system, they are not distributed. The company's know-how is unique technology that allows you to get identical glycopeptides outside human body, in vitro. It took 6 years to bring the first prototype from the scientist's laboratory to the pharmacy shelf as competitive product. During this period, there have been made a number of scientific studies, which allows identifying the effectiveness of the new product. In order to successfully compete in pharmaceutical industry, it is necessary for clinical observation. They were made with cooperation with the largest Latvian hospitals. The observation focused on the groups of patients with viral diseases and oncological diseases. The company chose the most conservative and prestigious product sales channel, the pharmacy. This means unquestionable quality and high consumer confidence. Although this marketing channel is complex. In less than a year, the company has been able to provide an assortment to 70% of Latvian pharmacies. Searching an export market is an essential part of the company's development strategy. Animal Lab takes every opportunity to participate in thematic exhibitions that displays their product and looking for potential partners. The company's scientific researchers' participation in international conferences is a highly important communication channel for further development. It is an excellent platform to present the preparation Glycoimmune to the international audience. In summary of all mentioned, the company Animal Lab has created unique, naturally occurring preparation Glycoimmune to help people whose health are being affected by the worst diseases of this century: HIV, hepatitis, tuberculosis, malaria and oncological diseases. The company's success story is based on the composition of preparation Glycoimmune efficiency, which activates the human immune system while having a serious illness within recovery period. Currently, the subject of intensive work is to develop new product compositions. As an important part of this process, we perform a variety of clinic observations, attracting highly qualified experts and clinics. We are confident that Glycoimmune is a remarkable, innovative product with high added value and broad market potential. So far, it raises interest in every existing and potential user.